Hello. This afternoon we've got a new collective pitch helicopter. It's a Blade Nano CPS. We just thought we'd show you the unboxing of it. So, let's get into the packaging. Pretty well wrapped up. We've got it from a company here in the UK. It's actually not far from us in Havant, in the south of England, over at a place called Gosport in the south of England. So it didn't have to come far, and we got it a couple of days later. We paid about £100. Typical, isn't it? The next day we saw it a little bit cheaper. We could have saved tenner. We saw another site doing it for about £100 with no delivery charges, but that was fine. So let's get out the main packaging. Very light box. Obviously it's going to be a light little thing, being a Nano. So yes, we got it. Well, it says Horizon Hobby. That's the makers of it, no doubt. So let's get into it. That's interesting. The seal's already open. Oh well. Probably because it came with a transmitter. So we've got the bind and fly version. And there she is. So we won't take it out of that plastic container just yet. But it comes along with some bits and pieces. Instruction manual by the look of it. Let's open this up. Yeah, instruction manual. So it's the CPS, which is the safe version. So it's got a panic mode, so that the theory is you press the button on your controller and it stabilises the helicopter for you. We've got a controller already programmed, set up, a DX6. So we've already got the model programmed on that. We saw all the settings needed by looking on the internet. So a couple of extra blades or spare blades. A spare tailpiece. Various spares there as well. Looks like some of the links for the arms up to the blades from the servos and bits and pieces. Yeah, these are actually slightly different blades. You can see they've got a bit there. I think these are the easier blades to fly with, so we've seen. Oh, nice little screwdriver. That's a good little screwdriver. Not normally that good. So quite good. Oh, nice and easy to get in the package. Let's have a quick look then. So it comes with a USB battery charger. You can get it out. It's well wedged in there. And the battery, which sort of plugs into there to charge that up. And then, oh, she's dinky. The tiny little helicopter itself. Very nice too. So we've had a few helicopters before already. Just show you them. We had a Nano Wasp. So that's a comparable size. So that's a Skyatech, but that's pretty well wrecked, and this is hanging off, and we can repair that, but they don't actually make them now. But what we got this for, part of the reason is so we can fly it indoors. That used to fly quite beautifully indoors, very easy to fly, and we could certainly in the winter get some good flights with that one. We've also got an Align T-Rex 150, so you can tell the difference in size there. So this is much lighter, much smaller. Really interested to see how that flies. I'm going to let you know. But a little bit of a handful indoors because we're quite confined to space in the house here. And the third one we've had for a while, in bits, not flyable at the moment, but this is a V120 DO2S Walkerer. And yeah, suddenly stopped working. We believe it's that unit there not working. But again, that was so nice and stable indoors to fly. Hence we've got this one. But yeah, first impressions, absolutely tiny, absolutely no weight to it at all. Tiny rotors on it. Be interesting to see how that flies, but good.